think it's important to have strong passions when you're young because I think that shapes who you grow into.
Like most kids, I did change my desired job a lot of times, but something that did stay all along was me being interested in sciences.
What inspired me the most when I was younger was my family. It was not easy for me to leave India, but I think my mom really supported me through. She's one of the reasons why I'm here.
As long as I can remember, I've wanted to do electronics and build robots. My brother told me that the best thing to do would be to go into electronic engineering. It was an easy choice, really, to come here and build the foundations of what I could then later on go and do.
Please mind the gap.
Brunel is a fantastic place to be inquisitive.
It's great because it's a one-campus university, so everything is available to you.
I think what made me feel at home is that there's so many international people here in Brunel.
It's not only that I'm focusing on my professional life, I'm doing what I love to do.
The biggest help in nurturing my curiosity has been the amazing academics.
You're never afraid to ask a question. That practical aspect of being allowed to try and fail and just become a better person is just what I love about this place.
Brunel has been part of the journey of growing.
And you can build on that and you can learn from trial and error here what does and doesn't work, and you can take it outside of Brunel and make it better. And you've got that easy connection into London, but then you're still on the outskirts, so it's nice that you can have space and actually move around and breathe.
Brunel has given me the dedication to become a lawyer more and more each day.
I'm more curious than ever.
It has challenged me,
I have a lot more freedom.
I'm braver.
I'm more knowledgeable.
and I'm ready for the future.
I am Brunel.